Hi there, Richard at Orange Campers, and you might be wondering what it's like filling up the water tank on the Trouvaille Classique. Well, it's so simple. Let me show you what we do. A little black waterproof bag, and I've got a flexible sort of water pipe hose. Can't remember where I got this one from, probably home base or somewhere. And it's nice, it shrinks up really nice, but it extends up to something like 25 metres if you need it to. And on the end there, both ends, you've got the usual fittings, but then I've got I bought a set of the 3 adapter fittings. So what you need is, there's 3 sizes here, and it's important for 3 sizes because different campsites I'll have different tap fittings. Now I'll show you on this tap fitting in a minute, and we're in Denmark, which is a smaller fitting over on this one. We've got the old type taps. Now usually it's the first one, nice big fitting, screws onto the tap, and then you simply just push that on, and that's it, you're away. You take your hose pipe over to your Trouvaille and just start filling. So, but then there is a couple of different sizes in the kit, which is very useful because I have been caught out, and we would have been caught out here if I'd just relied on the bigger one. So we've got the next size, that's even bigger again, but then there's a third one, and that's a smaller size. I don't know if you can see on there, but it's more of a sort of traditional kitchen sink tap, and it's just got a screw end fitting. So you screw that all in, and then you can literally screw that onto your tap. And like I say, I wouldn't have, we wouldn't have had that. My name would have been mud, and I wouldn't have been able to fill it up. But the third one, like I say, gives us the option to screw onto there, turn the tap on, take the other end over to the filler point on the Trouvaille, which is over there, if you can see it, and literally just pop it in. And like I say, you've got plenty of length on your hose pipe, pop it in there, dangle it in, and go and turn the tap on. Now you can get a Fiamma fitting for these things, so it's exactly like your water tap fitting, well, your water cap. So it's exactly like that, but it's got a tap fitting on the end where you can just clip this thing, this Fiamma water fill, into your van, and then you just clip your hose pipe onto it, and there's no need for it. You're standing there holding it then. But it only takes a few minutes anyway to fill a tank up, so there's no real effort in just popping it in there and waiting for it to fill up. You will see some drops on the floor when it's full because it has got breather pipes on there, and eventually they'll come out and it'll start dripping on the floor. That's normal. It's just breather pipes and so on. So that's just a quick insight on how to fill up your Trouvaille water tank.